Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Indeed employer account. Once authenticated, make sure you have manager or owner privileges because only those roles can remove postings. After logging in, move directly to the Jobs tab in the top navigation. If you manage multiple companies, select the correct company profile now. This first step sets the context for deletion and prevents accidental removal from a different account, so verify the company name before proceeding to the job list. Once done, filter your job list by status or date to quickly locate the posting you want to delete. This saves time when you have many listings. Click the job title to open its detail view, where you review applicants and posting settings, confirm it's the correct ad. Then open the Actions menu or click the three-dot ellipsis. That menu contains remove or close options. If you're unsure, check applicant counts before proceeding, because deletion may affect application tracking. You now choose Remove or Close Job from the Actions menu and read the confirmation prompt so you understand the consequences, then click Confirm. Deleting removes the posting from public search and typically archives existing applications for your records. Make sure to inform any active candidates if appropriate. If the delete button is grayed out or the page errors, try clearing browser cache, disabling extensions, or using a different browser. If problems persist, contact Indeed support for account-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.